it didn't really inspire me, but I kept walking around and just trying to see if I can find somewhere to camp out, and just plop down and see what I can find. So I'm hanging out here in Reston, Virginia. This place is called Lake Ann Plaza. It kept showing up on my Google Assistant to, something to check out while I'm here in town. So I came on over here and I'm doing a little bit of street photography. When I first got here, I can't say I was very thrilled because it just seemed like it seemed a little quiet. There was a bunch of senior citizens out just sort of sitting around, and it didn't really inspire me, but I kept walking around and just trying to see if I can find somewhere to camp out, and just plop down and see what I can find. But even walking around, I was still a little disappointed to start because it's not very big here. It's pretty small. I should have figured that because there was hardly nowhere to park. All the parking spaces were filled up. But I think it worked out better than I thought. It's a handful of restaurants over here, so you'll see a lot of people just hanging outside, eating. There's a little fountain over here that kids play in. It's right over there. They even had a band out here performing a bunch of old stuff. It's cute. It's fun to watch, to see how the locals react to this. It sort of reminds me of back home when they do the little street parties. But yeah, it worked out better than I thought. I sat here and I've been here a good hour or so, and it turned out all right. So what I'm going to do is just give you a little bit of a slideshow. It'll be real short, trust me, of just some of the shots. But this is pretty much street photography, at its core. You just go outside in a public area, grab your camera, and just start snapping. So that's what I did. And I'm glad I did it here in Reston, Virginia. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Share it if you do. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.
You got oh no no. You got